we have, they have, it has. He was, she was, I was, you were, we were, they were, it was. He is, she is, I am, it is. Do is used with subjects I, you, we and they. Did is used with all subjects he, she, I, you, we, they and it. Does is used with subjects he, she and it. Had is used with all subjects he, she, I, you, we, they and it. Are is used with subjects you, we and they. Let's practice daily routine sentences which will help in understanding how to use these verbs with different subject pronouns. He had breakfast at 8 a.m. I have cleaned my room. I am going for a walk. It is raining outside. He has finished his homework. They have left for school. It was a sunny day. She was studying last night. She has gone to the store. I am learning English. He had a dentist appointment. I was reading a book. He is listening to music. He had a lot of questions. They were preparing for the exam. It is very cold today. They have 2 dogs. We have completed the project. I have a lot of work to do. They are moving to a new house. I am very happy today. I was feeling sick yesterday. You were late to the meeting. We are ready to go. I do my work out every morning. She does yoga every evening. We are going to the park. It is getting late. Now let's learn and practice 30 verbs with their base form, past simple and past participle. Make, made, made. Read, read, read. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. Be, was or were, been. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. build, built, built, buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught, choose, chose, chosen, come, came, come, do, did, done, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, feel, felt, felt, find, found, found, get, got, gotten, give, gave, given, go, went, gone, have, had, had, hear, heard, heard, keep, kept, kept, know, knew, known, leave, left, left. Let's practice some sentences using all these forms of verbs. I read books. I read books. We ate lunch. We ate lunch. They have gone. They have gone. She saw him. She saw him. He fell down. He fell down. I drove home. I drove home. We kept quiet. We kept quiet. They know you. They know you. They caught flight. They caught flight. He took train. He took train.